Hey, I'm Miss Jazzy. You caught me in the middle of a retwist. Let's get started. Alright, so I am parting this out clean with a comb. Retwisting with the product called My Gel. It's a conditioning pomade. This is mainly because this client does not have a challenge with growth. So we're making sure that we keep this healthy hair healthy. Jazzy Braidz, we definitely do locks. That is a question that people will frequently ask us. Do we do locks? Yes, we sure do. And we work with all textures. So right now I'm retwisting, but we also interlock, which is what Day is doing, by the way, right now.
Interlock.
Side note. And we also do a crochet maintenance. Depending on your hair texture, we'll get you right. Okay. Don't let us do your hair if you don't want it to grow, though. Let me say that again. Don't let us do your hair unless you want it to grow. Not everybody is on this level. Not everyone has a lot of locks like us. We understand. So we do offer you a regular retwist, but we want to make sure that we reserve the right amount of time for your maintenance. We don't want to be rushing through anything. So besides just a retwist, we also would schedule a lot of locks retwist, and then a lot of locks. That's how many locks he and I have. You know. So that would be closer to 200 to 300, somewhere in that category. But again, not rushing through the process. So we reserve about 4 to 6 hours for maintenance. You're not sure? You can always shoot us a text and ask. Go ahead, just send a picture, 480-269-6726. I'm clipping the locks roughly 6 to 8 inches away from the scalp. Mainly to compress all of the new growth, not just some. I'm only clipping at about the first inch to 2 inches. I've only retwisted the last couple months. Hair grows at a rate of about a 1/4 of an inch per month. So if I'm retwisting past the root, or I'm sorry, 8 inches off the root, I've just retwisted the whole past year. You know what 2020 did to us. We trying to undo all that. Y'all trying to see? No. Still doing our $30 off Thursday. Make sure you schedule through our website, jazzybraidz.com. Always doing military discounts.